Friends, are you hunting for a mid-budget phone with DSLR-like camera quality, and a battery that could literally last for weeks? Well, your search is about to end, because a name is echoing in the world of leaks that might just shake up the entire smartphone industry. Yes, we are talking about the Nokia X Max 5G. A 200 megapixel camera monster, paired with a massive 8700 mAh battery. Is this even possible? In this video, we are going to decode the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerhouse phone. Stay with us, because these details will absolutely blow your mind. Let's get started. Features of the Nokia X Max 5G. The display. Let's begin with the window to your content, the display. The Nokia X Max 5G is rumored to feature a stunning 6.8-inch Full HD Plus LTPO display. It's not just big, it's smart. And for the gamers out there, this is the real treat. A buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an insane 390Hz touch sampling rate, mean ultra-fast response. Gaming and scrolling will feel like silk. For security, you'll get an optical in-display fingerprint sensor, which is a must-have today. And this phone is ready to fight water and dust, thanks to an expected IP68 rating. The camera setup. Now, let's talk about the feature that's creating a storm on the internet, the camera. According to leaks, it will boast a triple camera setup. But the main sensor, folks, this is no ordinary camera. You are getting a 200 megapixel primary sensor. Yes, 200 megapixels. Just imagine the level of detail and clarity in the photos captured by this beast. Accompanying it is a 48 megapixel telephoto lens for zoom lovers, and an 8 megapixel macro camera for those incredible close-up shots. And for all you selfie enthusiasts, there's good news. You might get a powerful 50 megapixel front camera for video calls and jaw-dropping selfies. Performance and OS. To run a display this large and a camera system this huge, you need raw power. And Nokia is making no compromises. This smartphone is rumored to pack the most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This chipset will make the phone a true performance beast. Whether you're into heavy gaming or 4K video editing, this processor can handle it all. As for the operating system, it is expected to run on the latest Android 16 OS. That means the newest security features and the latest functions, right out of the box. Battery and charging, performance, camera, display, it all goes to waste if the battery dies. But Nokia seems to have thought of that too. You are going to get an earth-shattering 8700 mAh powerful battery. This means that even if you're a heavy user, this battery could easily last you 2 days. And you won't have to wait hours to charge this mammoth. Leaks suggest it will come with 125-watt super-fast charging. With a USB Type-C port, your phone will be juiced up in minutes. Price and launch date. So the big question is, how much is this absolute monster of a phone going to cost us? According to leaks, the starting price of the Nokia X Max 5G is expected to be around $690. And the biggest question of all, when is it launching? Look, there is currently no official information on the launch date from Nokia. As soon as any official update drops, we'll be the first to bring it to you.